Shandong Chenxuan Valve Manufacturing Company Limited, Independent Production VF40 Series Water Valve, VF45 Series Water Vapor General, VF53 Series WCB Cast Steel Regulating Valve, VF61 Series 304-316L Stainless Steel Regulator, suitable for Siemens, Honeywell, Danfoss, Johnson and other famous brands actuator use. Electric differential pressure bypass valve, electric regulating valve, dynamic balance electric two-way valve, self-operated temperature control valve, temperature reduction and pressure relief device room temperature controller, etc. Popular in Malaysia, Singapore, Bangladesh, Morocco, Ghana, Russia, Vietnam, and etc.